Hey, listen, I'm on the back of a tractor in Dauphin, Manitoba. It's hot like hell out here. It doesn't get any better than that. I mean, they've got the best tractors for a Ukrainian guy like me. Vasilio, я зараз тобі куплю пиво. It's the best festival in the world. Я зафандую. They got the best threshers. We're treated like really, really well. You've got the best people. I mean, how many times have you been driven around in a tractor? And it's a John Deere. There's a monument right here. This is for all the performers who died here at the Dauphin Festival. Oh, that's not that. That's very inappropriate. I don't know what that monument is.
Марічка Чичері.
Чичері, Чичері? Чичері, Чичері. Розчешеми, Чичері, Чичері, Чичері. I'm drinking a magic elixir called Marichka. Якби мамка не знала, не знала, не знала. Якби мамка не знала, не знала, не знала. I may never come back.
I'm so excited. This is where it's at.
Marichka.
That's right.
We should go say hi to our first aid people.
Why are you at that? God said make sure they still have the labs on. He asked if there's anyone singing.
On an Ihor on 1 and 2.
What? What?
Under the direction of Rod Picklick and Bonnie Picklick. Ladies and gentlemen, this brings our afternoon show to a close. Did you enjoy it? Please remember, we just one announcement mentioned there's a threshing demonstration in the Heritage Village over there right after the main show. If you feel like going down, also please remember, top of the hill, all the artists will be there to sign CDs. CDs are for sale and other merchandise, so go up and pick up a Kozak CD, pick up a Tutitan CD, maybe even a Lastika CD. In the meantime, let's have a hand for all of our acts. Let's hear it for the Salah Ukrainian dancers. Chaban! Come on out here, Chaban! From Thunder Bay. For one minute, please welcome Slava from Winnipeg. Dolphins own Canada's national riding and dancing Cossacks. And from Dauphin, Manitoba, we have the Zirka Dancers. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you tonight, and we'll see you at the top of the hill. God bless.
Hey, listen, I'm on the back of a tractor in Dauphin, Manitoba. It's hot like hell out here. It doesn't get any better than that for a Ukrainian guy like me. It's the best festival in the world. I mean, they've got the best tractors, they got the best threshers, they've got the best people. We're treated like really, really well. I mean, how many times have you been driven around in a tractor? I mean, it's unbelievable, and it's a John Deere.
John Deere.
How
are the people here?
People are warm and very responsive to everything, and just great. From the, you know, what's nice is you get from the kids to the, you know, to the old people. Everybody is really quite nice and sincere, and you know, they're all having a good time. Like there's no conflict, no hassle, no, you know what I mean? It's just everyone's having a good time. There's no, you know, you don't see any kind of problems here. It's just everyone having a great time. І знаєш що, Василю? Я зараз тобі куплю пиво. Я зафондую тобі, окей? Нічого, nothing's for nothing, окей? Не забудь.
We have fans following us.
We're not talking about cheap. These are good tractors, and the you know what, the carbon monoxide is just making me feel really good, making me feel on top of the world. Here, there's a monument here. There's a monument right here. This is for all the performers who died here at the Dauphin Festival. Oh, that's very inappropriate. I don't know what that monument is. Coming in on the tractors. Tractors are coming in. We're having our own little parade. Yeah, some good scenery here too, if you noticed. I don't know. Scenery is next to none. Oh, we don't even have a canopy. Story of my life. How are you, Zane?
See you too. Narrows it down.
So you have, I wanted to show what your schedule
So my schedule is, once this is done, I have to get down and pack up all my gear from yesterday yet, and then somehow we have to manage to get it all up here. Set up, do sound checks, get ready to go. We're just opening the show tonight. We just do the opening number. This is the number for this evening.
Well, I'm going to autograph it.
Very important, yeah.
You're whacked.
We like you that much. We like your music.
3 years ago?
Yeah, in the fall.
And where was it?
St. Catherine's.
At the...
Oh, was it?
No, it was at the Polish
Yeah,
Club,
he
not the Black
decided.
Sea, at the Polish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that very much, yeah. It's good.
No, people still talk about that. How great the band.
No. Absolutely, hang on a second.
I feel a love, I feel a warmth.
His niece got married in next week.
Now, will I be able to take a picture with the two of you with my,
Is this your CD?
Yeah.
No, this one is.
Yeah.
Well, it's the picture or the autograph?
Oh, both.
Yeah.
What do you think I am, a shameless?
I'm a Ukrainian. I'm always part
What is that?
Very much.
She came all the way from the Ukraine.
From Ukraine?
I just know I'm a preferred customer for you.
I'm Sharon, you're just talking to my daughter, Nadia.
All right, great.
She bought the CD and wondered if you would sign it.
Sure.
This is a thrill for her to come back and see you, so you've made quite an impression. There we go.
This is my goddaughter, the mother of Nadia.
Oh, yes.
want to get to?
That one's got the Lord's Prayer.
On the back.
I'll just sit over here. Thank you.
If I'd be going to that, I might not do it.
Hello, my name is Bohdan Tymyc, and I'm the president of Yevshan. We publish a Ukrainian catalog. We sell over 3,000 items, all Ukrainian. Music, books, videos, new blouses, and everything. And visit our website at yevshan.com.
Hi, my name is Professor Yereniuk, and I'm from the University of Manitoba Center for Ukrainian Canadian Studies. We're trying to promote Ukrainian studies in Canada, especially at our university. It's an opportunity to share some of our courses that we're offering in the fall, but at the same time to talk a little bit about the importance of maintaining our Ukrainian Canadian history and trying to do as much as we can to make it an important part of Canadian history. We also are promoting a little bit of projects for orphans and students that are what we call the underprivileged children. We have a project called Project Evolve. It's on the back here. And so I pick up a lot of little nifty little things like Ukrainian soccer shirts and little keychains, etc., to provide children in Ukraine with a little bit of hope and a little bit of love. So in doing so, we're trying to raise enough money to send 250 back to school parcels for children that are orphans and street kids in Ukraine.
Hi, I'm Melanie from Shirley Salsa Dancer in Yorkton, Saskatchewan. Our store is located at 23 Smith Street West in Yorkton, and our phone number is 782-5445, area code 306. And we can be reached at Shirley's Dance at sastel.net, and check out our website, www.shirleysdance.ca.
Hello, my name is Elanor Woloschuk. I do the Ukrainian Festival. I've been coming to Dauphin for the last 10 years. The Easter eggs that I do are all done with wax the old traditional way. I do not use decals or egg wraps. I do mount them into shadow boxes and that, into little ornaments and that, and my prices are very reasonable. I do this all from my home.
I can just tell.
I love this!
Well, this is Mariczka, and this is essence of Mariczka. This is good. This is delicious, actually. It has pineapple, cheese, and vodka.
Just this Marічka Chичері. My mud flaps actually distinguish Marічka Chичері.
Chichere, Chichere? Chichere, Chichere. What's the rest?
Come on, let's I don't know, you gotta teach me.
Chichere, Chichere, Chichere. Sheme, Kucheri, Kucheri, Kucheri. Roshche, Sheme, Kucheri, Kucheri, Kucheri. Jakby to wycisała, jakby mamkę nie znała, nie znała, nie znała. Jakby mamkę nie znała, nie znała, nie znała. Bum, bum, bum.
I'm so excited. This is where it's at.
Mariczka.
That's me.
Oh, that is good. That is good. I don't know what it is, but it's really kind of, you know.
It's very good. We have about 11 liters I made in the cooler.
11 liters.
Yesterday there was...
It's like a punch.
Well, kind of.
Ish thing.
Ish, but it's also Mariczka.
It is. It is Mariczka.
I know, they are the worst.
I know, it's cloud. You're both cloud.
I shouldn't do that. I'm drinking a magic elixir called Mariczka. I may never come back. Once I go down the rabbit hole, I may never come back. Mariczka. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the ingredients of this. stuff. Well, we know there's pineapple in there.
We have determined this.
And we know that there's some kind of alcohol.
No, but I have some of my I brewed it. I started it here in Dauphin last year, and it took 1 year to brew, and it is fantastic.
Okay.
That you will get this later.
Do you have any sisters?
I do have a sister. Yes.
What's her name? Marichka.
No, Ivanka. Ivanka.
Does she have her own drink too? No, she just you have.
It's just me.
Marichka.
There's only room for one of us.
Okay. You're that kind of sister, are you?
I'm the youngest.
To Kill a Mockingbird, yeah.
I'm the youngest out of four.
She's the most beautiful teeth I've ever seen in my life.
I know.
Oh
They're just like bursting.
You should be doing commercials for teeth.
You can get this from my parents.
Yeah. My jeans.
My jeans, yes.
Thanks.
My drink. And I want her to try it. It's called Ihor.
Is it by any chance anything with lemonade in it?
You have to guess. You have to guess. Does she speak English? Yeah, she does.
I will try it. If it's anything but lemonade in here, I'm going to be upset.
It's hard, actually, to get sometimes three, decent singers together. Like, if you got one person who can do the keys and the others, and we're like up to thirds and fifths. Oh, that's called Tymyc. She's like, no, it's pronounced Jersey. I know. Yeah, like, are you serious? Oh, no.
Yeah, shooter, Ukrainian shooter. Lemon's good for you though, right? Lemon with vodka. Can't breathe. You get a lot of that, don't you? I know I did it already twice today. You know what? We should go say hi to our first aid people. I just want to let you know, these people saved my life. How many times?
Lost track after. I ran out of fingers, man. I'm really sorry.
This is the excellent first aid staff. Performed open heart surgery on Cahute last year, and kept him in ICU in there with the buffet because it's cooler in there.
Our air conditioned.
Oh yeah. We fix eye problems, sore thumbs, burns, people poking themselves in the eye, right? Stuff like that. Alcohol poisoning. No, thank you very much. You guys are the best.
And this is the one in charge.
I know.
The best woman.
I read her journal.
That's my mother.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
We're gonna head back and we're gonna come back later.
We'll be checking to make sure you're drinking your Ukrainian water.
That's right. And if I fall down the stairs, what a perfect place to. You guys are gonna have to come down. Sorry. Or you have a radio, right?
Yeah.
You can just radio.
Yeah.
Ihor fell down the stairs again. We'll pick him up with the tractor.